In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify desktop songs. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. Spotify desktop does not allow you to download songs as MP3 files that you can save and use outside the app. The download feature is only for offline listening within Spotify, and it requires a premium subscription. So if your goal is to listen without an internet connection, this method will work. But if you're looking for actual MP3 downloads, Spotify does not provide that on desktop. The first thing you need to do is get Spotify Premium. To do that, go to the Spotify Premium page, then log into your existing account or sign up if you don't already have one. Once you're in, choose the premium plan that works best for you and activate it. This is necessary because offline downloads are a premium-only feature, so if you're using the free version, you won't see the download option for music. After your premium plan is active, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. From there, go to your library. This is where you'll find your saved playlists, albums, and other content. Now open the playlist or album you want to download. It's important to know that Spotify typically lets you download playlists and albums for offline listening, so make sure you're opening one of those. Once you're inside the playlist or album, look for the download button. It usually appears as a downward arrow. Click that button to turn the download option on. After that, Spotify will begin preparing the songs for offline use. You don't need to download each track one by one because the app will handle the entire playlist or album automatically. Next, give it a little time to finish. The songs will start downloading on their own, and the speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of the playlist or album. While you wait, it's a good idea to keep the app open and make sure your computer stays connected to the internet so the process can complete smoothly. When the download is finished, you'll see a green arrow next to the downloaded content. That green arrow is your confirmation that everything is ready for offline listening. At that point, you can play those songs even when you don't have an internet connection, as long as you're listening inside the Spotify app. And that's all there is to it. If you have Spotify Premium, downloading songs for offline listening on Spotify desktop is quick and simple once you know where to look.